Anthony and Chelsea, relax, sabi ko. In a short while, magiging Mr. and Mrs. Teng na kayo. So, madali lang to. So, remember that a loving heart shares what is best, heals what is hurting, and does what is hardly possible, and understands without judging. Mabigat, malalim.
I always knew that this day will come. But I still cannot believe that the day is already now.
I was fortunate enough to bear witness to the beautiful beginning to Anthony and Chelsea's love story.
Tinanong din ako yung borbe, kailan ko? Seryoso. Hindi ako nagjo-joke. Sabi niya sa akin.
So, I think most of you know them to have fallen in love in high school since Teng found himself belonging to an all-girls group.
I still remember the first time we met. You were so beautiful, lovely, and cheerful.
But let me tell you the story that I know to shed some light as to how their story really started. So everybody look at Anthony. This face and figure is a perfect example of an abanger. O bantay sa lakay.
The first thing I said was, "Uy, okay to." Unfortunately, the time wasn't right. We were both too young and weren't ready for each other.
He befriended Chelsea to the point that Chelsea told him personal details that would guide him snatching Chelsea for himself in the years to come.
Pare, masaya ka?
Oh my God! Ayan.
It was during our college years when we started seeing each other. And I can still remember the enthusiasm I had traveling from España to Katipunan just to see you.
There are always two sides to a story. So yung version ni Anthony Teng, they were in the mall, dinakma niya yung kamay ni Chelsea, tapos hindi daw inalis. So for him, yun na yung indication na sila na. So tinanong ko kay Chelsea, so anong na-feel mo nung hinawakan ni Anthony yung kamay mo? Sabi niya, sobrang awkward, di ko alam paano ko tatanggalin.
I've been a keen witness to their relationship, to how genuine romance has transpired towards deciding to build a life together.
You are the greatest surprise of my life. You surprised me with how thoughtful, caring, and warm you are underneath your strong disposition. I admire your strength and energy as Mr. DIY, from fixing a doorknob to building our dreams.
Jesus' way of loving is not what we thought of reciprocal love. It is a love that I will give everything to you. Jesus elevated the real meaning of love. And what is this? It is loving the not perfect. Anthony and Chelsea, are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Anthony, love your wife as Christ loves His church, and live with her in the holy fear of the Lord, and eat what she cooks. Eat always together. Eat together, pray together, and be happy together. It's not easy. It's always challenging and demanding. Love is and will always be tested in many times, many ways, in all circumstances.
The past 10 years was not a walk in the park. We had so many struggles and challenges in our work and relationship. But somehow, you always stood by my side without judgment.
Making a relationship last long for years is hard, but despite everything else, you both showed that patience and teamwork is the key.
Love and it will always be tested. But despite all of this, continue loving all the time and express it in many ways. Because love is joy.
Mr. and Mrs. Anthony and Chelsea Teng.
Congrats to the newlywed, and cheers! My brother is the one who always boss around the house. He's really a bully.
You are a role model to a lot of people, and you are always there to sincerely help your family and friends.
He really likes building something with his own hands. And I think that's how he built his own self right now.
Anthony, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife, Chelsea?
Yes, Father.
Do you take Chelsea here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Of the four of us, 3 girls and me, I would say that Chelsea is the most hardworking of all of us. She's the one who takes care of the house, of whatever that needs to be done in the house, you could rely on her.
Amaze me blindfold in my eyes. Inside the dark, all that I see is imaginary pictures of all my things of you and me.
pa, ikaw magbabayad ka pa na.
Oo, syempre. Meron na eh. Nabayaran ko na eh. Yung angpaw na lang.
Most of the time, I look up to her as someone I go to when I have problems and I need guidance, and she's just everything to me.
I can never imagine spending my life with another person other than you. You were always my better half and always brought out the best in me. I promise to take care of you and always try my best to make you smile and happy every day for the rest of your life.
Watch both of them change for the better. Chelsea came out of her shell to be the strong woman that she is now, and Chelsea kept Anthony grounded. I know you hear this about couples all the time, but they are the true epitome of the phrase, they bought out the best in each other. And together, they make one awesome person.
Anthony, you're very lucky. You have my sister. And I know you know that.
Papa-heart kasi yan. Kita mo?
Thank you for always understanding and teaching me and guiding me to be a better person. I love the fact that you've always believed in me. You are truly one of a kind.
Chelsea, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband, Anthony?
Yes, Father. Mommy and Daddy, Mama and Papa, we thank you for a lifetime worth of love, experiences, and values that we will try hard to carry over. If we have our own families.
Chelsea, do you take Anthony here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
I know that you are in good hands because He will surely take care of you, whatever it takes, and take care of your soon-to-be family.
You will always be my favorite couple. I hope that your love will continue to grow deeper. Ayun, I wish you nothing but the best.
poorer or richer, in health and in sickness, love one another as Jesus loved us.
We've seen the waters rise. We've lived through desperate times. We've built it all and watched it fall down right before